Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Joe. I'm going to introduce you to Mr. Jace. He is going to get his superhero IronMan adjustment today. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, buddy. On your belly. Superpowers, activate.
IronMan Jason.
Yeah. Activate superpowers. Oh, yeah, good. On your side.
Oh.
Other side.
Oh, that felt so good.
On your back. Would you on your back for me? On your back?
Oh.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay. Activate.
Oh, that felt so good.
Activate. You're good, buddy. You're good as gold.
That felt so good. Being adjusted is so much fun. It makes you feel better. If you have a sore neck, you could come over here and you could have your neck adjusted. It's so much fun to get adjusted because it just feels so good. If you have back problems, just come here. It feels so good to get adjusted.